Imagine a world where you never need to own a car again. Just summon a driverless Tesla Cybercab, and it arrives in minutes. Silent, electric, and cheaper than owning a car. This is the future Elon Musk promises, and it could completely transform our cities. Welcome to Car Futuro, where we explore the future of driving. Hit subscribe because what you're about to see will blow your mind. The Tesla Cybercab is based on the futuristic Cybertruck design, boxy, bold, and built with Tesla's full self-driving hardware. It's designed to work without a human driver, using AI to navigate complex traffic. Imagine hopping in, tapping your destination, and letting Tesla's FSD drive you across the city. This isn't science fiction, it's Tesla's vision of mobility, turning every ride into a fully autonomous experience. One of the boldest promises is the price. Tesla aims to make Cybercab rides so cheap that car ownership may no longer make sense. Instead of paying insurance, fuel, and maintenance, you'll pay per ride. Experts suggest costs could drop to as low as 25 cents per mile, far below Uber or Lyft. That means Americans could save thousands per year just by skipping car ownership. So when will you actually see a Tesla Cybercab on the streets? Elon Musk has teased a launch as early as 2026, with pilot programs possibly beginning in major US cities. However, it depends on regulatory approval and Tesla's progress with full self-driving. While delays are possible, industry insiders believe the first wave of robotaxis could arrive before the end of the decade. Tesla isn't alone. Companies like Waymo and Cruise are already testing robotaxis. But Tesla's advantage is its massive data from millions of cars already on the road. Every Tesla owner unknowingly trains the AI, making the Cybercab smarter every day. If it launches successfully, Tesla could dominate the ride-hailing market, outpacing Uber, Lyft, and even traditional car ownership. This is mobility on demand, powered by Tesla. Now picture a city where millions no longer need parking spaces. Roads become less congested, accidents drop, and pollution falls dramatically. Cybercabs could completely reshape urban life, freeing land for parks, homes, and businesses. For the US, this shift could save billions annually while creating futuristic smart cities. Tesla isn't just building a car, it's designing a new way of living. The Tesla Cybercab isn't just a car, it's a revolution. From affordable rides to futuristic cities, it could change how we live forever. But will Elon Musk deliver on this bold promise, or is it another dream too far ahead of its time? Tell us what you think in the comments.